Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your DasherDirect Card PIN. Open the app by tapping on it. Now, log in with your email and password. If you have Touch ID, use it to proceed. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on More. On this screen, you will see an option for Manage Card. Tap on Manage Card. Under Manage Card, you will see an option for Change Your PIN. Tap on Change Your PIN. Now, on the first field, enter the new 4-digit PIN you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After entering, tap on Change PIN. That's how you change your DasherDirect Card PIN. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.